हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम फार्मास्यूटिकल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए एमसीक्यूज बेस्ड क्विक मॉक प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट क्वेश्चन विद आंसर देखेंगे। ये सेट डी है हमारा। सो क्विक मॉक प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पर। Question number 91. Which process is widely used to obtain water for injection? Purified water. Answer is simple distillation. Question number 92. A process in which the entire liquid mixture is suddenly vaporized by passing the feed from a higher pressure zone to a lower pressure zone. Answer is flash distillation. Question number 93. In which process a part of the vapor is condensed and returned as liquid? Answer is fractional distillation. Question number 94. Absolute alcohol can be prepared by which method? Answer is azeotropic distillation. Question number 95. Which process is based on the principle of simple distillation with some modifications? Answer is distillation under reduced pressure. Question number 96. Double neck distillation flask is known as? Answer is Claisen flask. Question number 97. High boiling liquids cannot be purified by simple distillation since the constituent in the mixture tend to at higher temperatures. Answer is decompose. Question number 98. Which process is also known as short path distillation? Answer is molecular distillation. Question number 99. Talc has equilibrium moisture content of practically? Answer is 0. Question number 100. Which of the following type of product is having equilibrium moisture content of practically 0? Answer is non-porous and insoluble. Question number 101. One of the theories is not applicable to distillation. Answer is Graham's law of diffusion. Question number 102. Which product is not dried by spray dryer? Answer is bacterial and viral cultures. Question number 103. Dry spots are formed during one of the following period. Answer is first falling period. Question number 104. Eutectic point is an important factor for one of the following drying processes. Answer is freeze drying. Question number 105. Filtration is a unit operation that is commonly used for collecting Answer is filtrate. Question number 106. Who has proposed that the filtration process is similar to the streamlined flow of a liquid under pressure through capillaries? Answer is Poiseuille. Question number 107. Which is the principal difference in the properties that influences centrifugation? Answer is densities. Question number 108. Centrifugal method is used for one of the following process. Answer is separation. Question number 109. Water attack test is performed on glass in order to find the limits of one of the following. Answer is alkali liberated. Question number 110. In pharmaceutical packing, collapsible tubes made from lead are not used as such for one of the following reasons. Answer is risk of poisoning. Question number 111. One of the following glass containers is used for the storage of light-sensitive pharmaceuticals. Answer is amber color. Question number 112. Containers meant for storage of injections are made from one of the following type of glasses. Answer is borosilicate. Question number 113. Hermetic sealed container are also known as. Answer is airtight containers. Question number 114. Which metals makes steel corrosion resistant? Answer is chromium and nickel. Question number 115. The ability of a metal surface to withstand repeated cycle of corrosion is known as. Answer is corrosion fatigue. Question number 116. Corrosion of metal is fairly high in one of the following medium. Answer is acidic. Question number 117. Galvanic corrosion is observed when external electric current in solution is passed between one of the following combinations. Answer is zinc and copper. Question number 118. In cyclone separator, the separation depends on. Answer is size and density. Question number 119. The correct definition of filtration is. Answer is when solids are present in a very low concentration, that is not exceeding 1% weight by volume, the process of its separation from liquids. Question number 120. Corrosion of metals involves. Answer is chemical reactions. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys are amazing. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy and stay blessed.